officer.
Evening.
This is the second time I got pulled over in the last few days. This is about that missing kid again?
It's not. Do you know why I pulled you over?
No, and I refuse permission for a search. Let's just get that out of the way first, and...
Step out of the car, please.
Tell me why you flagged me down first. I think you have to tell me that.
I was hoping you would tell me.
What?
Step out of the car, please.
What station are you from?
I won't ask again.
Show me your badge. Let me see your badge.
I won't ask again.
Screw you. You gotta tell me your station, your badge number. I know my rights. No cop is railroading me into anything.
You can trust the policeman. Step out of the car, please.
Wait a second. You don't... I get it. All right. I'm going to the station. Don't tell them there's a fake cop out here.
Step out of the car, please.
Have a good night, officer. Whoa!
Step out of the car, please. Step out of the car, please. You can trust a policeman. 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 You can trust a policeman.